Right then, nice little project here. So, I've got to paint this ceiling. Now the customer has had numerous issues with leaks everywhere. There as well, I don't know if you can see it on camera. The ceiling is a mess, and as you can see there, I don't actually know if you can tell on camera, but there's a hairline crack running right through and through there as well. Now when this was patched, the plasterer didn't feather it out properly. So I'll just climb up these ladders. You can see there, it's really, really rough, and there's dents in it, and they've done a really bad job. So my job today is rake out that crack, fill it with this stuff, which is 2Pre Fibercryl. Now this stuff has fibers in it which stops the crack from coming back. Obviously up to a certain extent, but doing something like that will be perfectly fine. Then once that's dried, in fact no, I can wait. I can do the filling as well on here. So I can get that filled in. I'm also going to fill the crack there, which I can do with the 2Pre and the crack there. Now before I fill those, again, I'm going to rake them out and then fill with 2Pre. The filler that I'm going to use for this section here is just going to be Easy Fill. It's Easy Fill 60. I found that, I think they do Easy Fill 20, but it goes off way too quick. The working time goes off too quick, but then it takes forever to sand down because you need to wait for it to fully dry out. If you still see wet patches in there, even though it feels hard, but if you still see wet patches in there, you can't sand it because your filler, your sandpaper will just get clogged up. So once everything's been filled and sanded, we will be going over everything with Zinsser Bin. Now, if you don't know this stuff is fantastic for stains and leaks like this. Obviously you need to fix the leak first, but going over stuff like this, absolutely brilliant, and it's just a no-brainer. And then once that's dried, I'm then going over it with Valspar Trade Tough Matte Pure Brilliant White. Now that stuff is £67 a tub, but as long as I've got the right stuff, and I think I've got the right stuff, and I'll let you know, it should be one coat and done. Fingers crossed, because I don't want to have to do 2 coats. I don't even know if I've got time to do 2 coats. If I don't, I'm going to have to come back tomorrow, and I have a job tomorrow. I might have to push it back, but I want this to be right. That patch also goes onto this wall as well, which is not great. Just noticed, so it goes onto this wall, which may mean I end up painting this wall as well, which is great. So we'll stop waffling and we shall crack on. Also, I forgot to mention, I have turned I can't even show you because there's customers' pictures there. I have turned the heating on as well to 20 degrees. The heat will go straight up to the ceiling and hopefully dry out the filler and the paint much quicker. So good tip, if you want things to speed up, turn your heating on.